Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Matic. I wanted to make a video on that because it's I like Matic a lot, and I know quite a lot of you are interested in these updates as well. But apart from that, the market structure right now for Matic is actually quite interesting, because if you compare Matic to other cryptos, which sometimes are seen as similar, like Cardano. You can see that Cardano is holding up fairly well, and Matic is actually quite bearish right now. All right, so I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. Dropped down quite low yesterday evening, recovered a little bit. Like you can see that there's a major support level right here around 75 cents. So yes, we're diving right into the analysis. All right, if you're new to the channel, welcome. But all right, so Matic broke above 75 cents, which is a strong support level. So bit of a bearish fake out yesterday. But in the end, the market structure still is very weak, right? Ever since the 14th of November, Matic has basically been falling down. Now, obviously, that also had things to do with news, etc., because it had some news really propping up the price. And that always causes some sort of a sell-off eventually. And like I said, Bitcoin yesterday was quite bearish, so that also did not help Matic. That really made it fall down all the way from 85 cents to 73 cents yesterday. So now the big question is, what's next for Matic? Personally, I have a big buy area right here at 69 and 66 cents. I think purely technically, if you look at the daily, that's a very strong level. You have the 0.618 fib of the entire move up. That's quite strong. And then you also have the 100 EMA, and you have some other EMAs just above there. So that's personally a buy area, which I like a lot. But the big question is well, will Matic actually drop down there? And I find that difficult to answer, because I still think the markets right now are bullish, right? So usually if the markets are bullish, most altcoins will be bullish too. So purely technically, if you look at Matic right now, you would say that's actually bearish. It's in a downtrend. So that makes the situation a little bit hard. In terms of momentum, Matic also had a significant closure of positions, so it's also losing momentum. So there seems to be something going off, like some sort of a big sell-off. Now that it has regained 75 cents as a support level, on the short term, I expect bullish momentum. All right, so on the short term, I expect it to test the main resistance levels, which are between, well, basically it starts at 77, but the main resistance level is 80 cents. And because the market structure does look bearish, and because I don't necessarily expect Bitcoin to get a huge rally from here, I actually think it's most likely that Matic will find resistance at 80 cents and drop back down towards 75 cents. And then probably it's most likely it will consolidate here. But then there's always the risk that if Bitcoin gets one drop down to 35 or 34,000, Matic drops down to 69 and 66 cents. And I actually do think that's most likely for Matic. So that short-term bullish momentum range, pretty tight range, and then a bearish spike seems more likely than a bullish spike at this point of time for the markets, given all the news that we've had. So I would say that's most likely, at least that consolidation. I must say that I like the markets right now are pretty crazy. I still think Matic is doing great. So like I said, I expect it to be bullish and test the resistance levels. I would say there's about a 25% chance that it just breaks above 0.8 again, and that it consolidates up here. All right, so that it becomes pretty similar again. That now we've seen quite a lot of bearish pressure, but that it becomes similar to Cardano again, which has been consolidating for the last while. All right, so that's a possibility. But like I said, purely looking at the momentum, looking at the technical structure, and thinking about what's most likely for Bitcoin, it is most likely that Matic will be bullish, but then finds resistance, consolidates, and from that consolidation, at this moment, it's most likely to get a spike down. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great week. And if you're interested in my premium group or my Signal group, I have both. As you can see from the top, links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment, so you can check that out. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.